So I'm at work. Can't work because it's freaking foggy out. My brother's truck. Wanted to record it. My car's over there. It's a monster. Same color as my car. Flat black. We like that color a lot. It's the front. It's my car all dirty and shit. Work truck. Still can't wire up the freaking tack on this damn car. I think it's broken. So I need to get a new one. It's a little dirty. This is beast though. Need to get new tires. Back ones are going bald. Need to wire these shits up. Just bored at work. Trying to find something to do. Just want to go home. It's like 6 o'clock. It's early as hell. Almost all the work is left already. But yeah, that's it. Daily videos.